Welcome to our second episode of Cool Tools. I'm Holly Magnuson.
And I'm Dante Cordova, and this is a show where we talk about our favorite tools.
And today we're talking about a tool that Dante loves to recommend to people, especially our Windows users, and it's called the Snipping Tool.
Yes, and the reason why I recommend this is because a lot of people don't realize that they have the ability to take screenshots right in their Windows computers or their Mac computers. But specifically for Windows, you have an app called the Snipping Tool, and it's just right there. You just type it up and you find it, and you can take either a whole screenshot or a screenshot of just like a certain section of the window.
And if you're a Mac person, built into the Mac operating system is Shift-Command-3, which will take the entire screenshot of the entire screen, or Shift-Command-4, where you can select your screenshot, and it saves these files on your desktop.
So the great thing is that both of these tools are already built into your Windows or your Mac operating system, so that means they're free to use, they're ready for you right now. Go give them a shot, and we're going to show you how to do it.
Welcome to this tutorial on using the Snipping Tool. This comes with all Windows computers, at least since version 7, probably before that. And the way you access that is you go to the Start menu, and you can just type in Snipping. And here it pops up. I like to, because I use this tool a lot, I will right mouse button click and say pin to start. You could also pin it to your taskbar, which you see down at the bottom of your screen. But I'm going to pin mine to start. And now I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And you'll see the dialog box here. You have a new button, a delay, which we won't talk about today. And then we're just going to hit new to start with. And you notice how the screen kind of fades out, and I can take my mouse and I click and drag over what I want to capture. And once I release the mouse, then the Snipping Tool comes up with what I've captured. I have a save button here. I also could copy. I could send the snip. Because it uses Windows, it's going to try to use Outlook, so I don't use that tool. And there's also some highlighting and pen tool. They're pretty simple, don't work great, but they can do simple stuff. I'm going to hit Save Snip, and then I'm going to name it. And now you have saved it as a PNG. You want to note where it's being saved at so that you can find it later. This is great if you need to submit an error message to the support desk or you're creating a help document. Just an easy way to do screen captures, and best of all, it comes free with your Windows computer. Once you save, you're done. You can close out the tool, do another snipping, whatever you need to do. Check out the show notes for additional resources on how to use the Snipping Tool. Now we're going to take a look at how to do screen capturing with the built-in tool for the Mac. With all the versions of OS X, you have the ability to do Command, Shift, and the number 4, and it will change your mouse pointer into the pointer you see there, and then you just click and hold, drag over what you want to capture, and you'll hear a little camera sound, and then over on the desktop you will find the file that it created, and it names the file screenshot and then the date and time that you created the file. If you wanted to do a screen capture of the entire desktop, you would do Command, Shift, and the number 3. And it would do the same thing, capture the entire screen, and save it to your desktop. Hope you found this tip useful, and have a great day. That's it for this episode of Cool Tools. Take a moment to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done that already, and that way you get email notifications when new videos are posted.
Thanks very much for joining us in our second episode of Cool Tools. If you'd like to see one of your tools featured, just leave it in the comments below, and we'll try to get it on the docket.
Have a great day.
See ya, bye.